Who here can relate to not being rich? Okay, good. All right, so now we're same page. So when you're in that kind of world, the game that's being played there is not lose. That's the game that's being played. Don't lose. Okay? Everyone is very risk averse and very like in the Tversky and Kahneman prospect theory, twice as motivated to avoid losing as they are to gain. So everyone's just trying to do everything right, not screw up, not be noticed, not have any attention put on them, not be called out. I just want to get by here. I don't want anyone to mess with me. I don't want anyone to screw my situation up. When you're dealing with these elite clients, they're not playing the game to not lose. They're playing the game to win. But win means two different things. To some people, win means beat everyone else. But not most people. Okay, so to most people, the kinds of clients we're talking about here, win means get the result they want. Win the game they're playing. Okay, so I love winning the health game. I'm winning the health game right now in my life. But I don't think about it competitively. I'm not winning the game because I'm beating someone else. I'm winning because I have a lot of energy and I'm exercising a lot and I just feel better about my body and my health than I have in a long time in my life. So it's that kind. So they're winners and they're playing to win, not to avoid losing.